I'm Yuto, and today on Sudachi I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and smooth Japanese style carrot dressing. Let's get straight to it. Start by grabbing a heat-proof bowl. I recommend a glass bowl like this. Add 1 small chopped carrot and 1/4 of a medium onion cut into the rough pieces. Pour in 1 tablespoon of water, then cover the bowl with plastic wrap and microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes at 600 watt, or until you can pierce the carrot with a fork. I tried 2 minutes first, but the carrot was still a little hard, so I added another minute. It depends on the strength of your microwave and how small the pieces are cut. If you don't have a microwave, you can steam it for about 6 to 8 minutes instead. While we wait for them to cool, let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. Here I have the container for my mini food processor. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of apple juice. Now the carrot and onion. This dressing is a great way to add bonus vegetables to your salad. It's pretty healthy, the flavour is quite sweet and fruity from the vinegar, apple juice and honey. I've tried making it without cooking the vegetables and I didn't like the fibrous texture. Cooking them ensures the end result is smooth. Okay, once they're all in, seal the container and blitz until smooth. You might need to shake it or scrape the sides down once or twice to make sure all the pieces are incorporated into the dressing. Keep blitzing until it looks like this, then chill it in the refrigerator for at least 20 to 30 minutes before using. And that's it, delicious, smooth and creamy Japanese style carrot dressing. I'm serving it over a simple daikon salad, but it goes with so many vegetables. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that one. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to read a written version or check out more of my salad dressing recipes, go to my website, the link is on the screen. And if you're interested in more dressing recipes, check out the sesame dressing on the screen too. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.